else. If you look there, conditional statement dot if else. When we using the dot, that means we creating the sub package. So there is creating another folders inside conditional statement. So first it create the if else package. Just finish it here. Now inside there it create one another package. When I see there in our project folders, basic concepts, SRC, simple statements. I have done, I think that folder is conditional statement. There is another if else. Okay. So sometimes we need a sub package. Sub package is similar like package, but there is a package, one package inside another package is known as sub package. How we know that it's a sub package? If main package, it will show the directly the package name, and after it will indicating the dot. After dot, it's given the another package. So if else is that sub package of the conditional statement. Suppose there I want to create one package is like looping statement. So Java package inside the looping statement. So in Java package, we can creating that looping statement. So looping statement is a sub package. Right now I creating another package. That's as the if I create like that, so it will created sub package inside if else. But I don't want inside if else, so I delete it and conditional statement dot. Also there is the looping statement. So looping statement is package created inside the conditional statement. When I finish it, then it's created another package inside the conditional statement. So one package is creating into another package. Okay. So when I created the class inside the sub package, then it will like it's my test loop. This class is created inside the looping statement package. But sometimes we need to create this class inside the conditional statement. Then we need to remove this. Just finish it. The test loop is done inside the looping statement. If you look there, it's show that conditional statement dot looping statement. It means that this file test loop is created inside this package. If you go the our NetBeans project, so we can look at here. There is if else statement, looping statement. The main folder is my conditional statement. Inside conditional statement, we have done two sub packages. First one if else, second one the conditional statement. Inside there is the test loop. So is the point is that if using the point either dot, it will indicating the sub package. Okay. Okay, 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 okay.